The dream of the infinite low-cost sales BDR has officially hit a wall. I'm Will from Deep River Strategy, and almost every sales leadership team is currently pouring money into automated outreach, hoping for the zero-cost infinite scale of AI. But the spoiler alert that the AI everything crowd forgot to mention is the anti-AI BDR defenses are already way better than the AI BDRs. Think about it like noise-canceling headphones. As an engineer, I see this as phase cancellation. You're sending out a wave of automated personalization, and your buyer is using a defensive filter that creates the exact opposite wave to block it. And when those two forces hit each other, the result is not a connection, it's mathematical silence. By scaling your volume with bots, you aren't scaling your growth, you're actually scaling your own irrelevance. Because your agentic AI is literally blasting training data to your prospect systems so that they can learn to ignore you forever. The only way out of this stalemate is a strategy built to counter the AI slop. It requires a pivot away from the public noise towards the things that automation can't fake: human connection, authenticity, and earned credibility. So if you're spinning up an army of AI BDR bots, you may want to rethink that strategy, because the defense is way better than the offense, and that will give you a whole lot of AI silence. The structural reset is here. You need to be strategic, and you need to address it now.